Hello friends, I'm going to open my another package here which I received today. So let's get started. Let's open it and start unboxing. Here we go. Okay, first we get the invoice, then we have our main product and nothing there. Okay, put it aside, and this is the product which I ordered. It's a dash camera from Procus company, model name Iris. Let's check inside the box. Let me remove this seal and put it aside for now. So in the box, what we get the first is important. Okay, some instruction we have to follow. I will read it later. And the second thing, we got our camera. It's a wide angle camera, high definition video and still pictures, quite handy. Okay. And next we get the suction socket. It helps to hang the camera on the dash. And there's a charger. Okay, it's only car charger they provide. And the last, we have a user manual, quite detailed. I recommend to read first before you go to your camera setting. Now let's attach to suction socket with the camera. Let me clean this area first. Okay, let's try to remove, and yes, almost. Yeah, we're good. Okay, we can rotate this 360 angle. Looking good. And this is our suction work. Okay, look good to me. Okay, I think need to recharge it. So remove the car charger and let's move to the car. Then I will share one video with you. You can see the video quality. Here is the video which I record the same day. You can see the high definition video. You can clearly see the paper mistakes. This is the main reason I need to install this camera on my dash. And you can also see how details you can find in our video. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye.